Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome in this lecture in which I have some magic for you. How about if I show you how you can use the chain of thought prompting? And what exactly is the chain of thought prompting? That's what we're going to discover in this lecture. So here I have an example prompt I'm going to paste. And notice what the prompt is or how it is composed. So let's read it first. Imagine you're planning a team building retreat for your company. You want to create memorable experience that fosters collaboration, creativity, and camaraderie among your team members. So that's the first chain of thought. Actually, I would argue it's the second. So there's the first one is imagine, from imagine to your company right here. The second one is you want to create a memorable experience that fosters a collaboration, creativity, and camaraderie up to team members and more. What are some unique activities, right? Or workshops you would incorporate into that retreat. So here's question number one. Then we continue the chain of thought to question number two. How would you ensure that everyone feels included and engaged throughout the event? That's second. So number two. That's second. So number two there. Also, consider factors such as location and so on and so forth. So after that, we kept giving it more chain of thought. And I'm going to click enter. Notice the difference in the response, right? So the difference is it provides you with a much more organized answer as opposed to if you take this and change the prompt. Just change the prompt a little bit. Maybe eliminate a couple of elements or maybe describe in your way and you'll notice the difference. So here is an organized answer and this is how you should go about it. Use the chain of thought prompting. Always use the dot to end the sentence, start a new sentence. Always use those elements because you don't want to just write things on random. Make sure that you present your prompt in a way that makes it super easy for ChatGPT to get the data, the details. Also, distinguish your questions by adding question marks because if you don't, then it's not going to know that there are questions. So that is really interesting, right? It might be simple, it might be a simple trick, but trust me, I've been using ChatGPT for 1.5 years now, and I know what it needs to give you one of the best responses that you can get. Stay tuned for the next lecture, and I will see you then.